Right, that's the first term lessons. There are 3 lessons of first term of grade 6 science. That's the revision questions. What are the 3 lessons? The first lesson, wonders of living world. Second lesson,
Of living world, things around you,
Water as a natural resources.
water as a natural resource.
Water as a natural
These are the 3
resources.
lessons of first term. Okay, yes.
We want to mark our answers in pen or pencil now.
No, not need to mark your answers.
Not our wrong answers.
Okay, you can mark your wrong answers, correct answers you can mark, okay? Right. Not need to put the correct mark. I gave this one to study these 3 lessons, okay? මේක මම ටෙස්ට් එකක් විදියට නෙවෙයි දුන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට අර ඒ lessons ටික මතක් කරගෙන නේද මේ වැඩ ටික පාඩම් කරගන්න. Right. Look at the first question. Now I am going to discuss. Select the group of solids. You know things we can classify into 3 groups: solid, liquid, and gas. Look at what are the all things contain solid form. Water is liquid form, no? So first answer is incorrect. Water, milk, solid form, not solid form. Second one, kerosene. Kerosene mean what? Bhumitel. Coconut oil. Petrol. This liquid form.
Wrong.
Liquid form. It is not correct. Caesar. Caesar is solid form. Solid form. Cup.
Cup, solid form.
So I think the correct answer is 3, no? Not this one. The bee honey, liquid form, no? So the correct answer, what number? Third number. This answer. That's the correct answer.
ප්‍රශ්නවලට ටික් දාගන්න ඕනේ නේද?
ටික් නම් දාගන්න ඕනේ නැහැ නේද? ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ correct answers ටික mark කරගන්න. ඔයගොල්ලෝ බලන්න කොච්චර ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ answers හරිද කියලා, right? කොච්චර දුරට ඔයගොල්ලෝ success වෙලාද කියලා. Right. Second question. Which of the following is a living organism? I think you know, in the first lesson, we discussed about living and non-living things, okay?
Spider.
Is living, no? Web, nest, home. Right? Non-living thing. So the correct answer number?
One is spider.
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 Okay. Third question, look at the highest percentage of human blood is composed of what? Water.
Water. Sir, percentage and human blood meaning.
Percentage mean pratishataya. Human blood in your body. Blood. Right? ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ ශරීරයේ නේද? ලේ. Right? ලේ වල වැඩිපුරම තියෙන්නේ මොනවද? Right? Water. Right. Next one, look at water exists in southern and northern poles are. I think you know there are 2 poles, southern pole and northern pole in the earth. Exist pavathinawa. Which state? Liquid, vapor, solid, clouds. Which
Solid.
is solid? Solid.
Glacier in
Glaciers, no? Glaciers. I think you know, we discussed in this lesson, in the poles there are glaciers contained, right? Water contained as a glaciers, exist pavathinawa. Right. Number 5, look at question number 5. This is a phenomenon. Phenomenon means sansiddhiya කියන එක, සිද්ධිය කියන එක, සංසිද්ධිය regarding to non-living environment. Right? Non-living environment. අර අජීවී පරිසරයකට උදාහරණයක් කියවෙන තැන. Blooming flowers. Flowers are living things, no? That's not example. Drying lakes. Lakes mean non-living thing, no?
non-living. That is
I think the answer. Also, we have to check
That
other
is
things.
the answer.
Mimosa plant. Sleeping movement of mimosa. Mimosa plant is
Living.
living things.
Living.
Right? Movement we can show. Death of animals also.
Living.
3D. So what is the correct answer? Number 2. Drying of dates. Right? That's the question.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, මෙහෙට හොඳට වහිනවා. එහෙනම් මම ලිව්වෙන්නද?
Okay. Also, you have to complete this one. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Number 6. Look at. Choose the suitable word for the blank. Using sensory organs, we can blank the environment. What is the answer? Sensory organs. Sensory organs. What are the sensory organs of the body?
Experiment. Experiment.
Sensory organs mean what to your body? Eyes, ears, nose,
Nose and
and
mouth.
Yes, nose, mouth.
not mouth. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Right? Mouth එක ඇතුලේ තමයි නේද tongue තියෙන්නේ. ඕගොල්ලෝ කියන්නේ අර නේද බුද්දිසම් වල පංචේන්ද්‍රය කියලා. අන්න ඒවා. Right? That's the sensory organ of the body. Right? Using the sensory organ, we can blank the environment. This one, the fourth one should be C. It is the spelling mistake. Okay, you correct that one. C, S-double-E. So what's the answer? Fourth one. Okay, fourth one.
I didn't put the answer because I guess both answers are not correct.
Okay, you write down the correct answer. This one is a printing mistake. So you correct that one first. The answer is C, S-double-E. Then you underline that one. Okay. Experiment not need to use in the sensory organs. No. Experiment එකක් කරනවා කියන පරීක්ෂණයක් කරන්න අපිට sensory organs අවශ්‍ය වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Guess කරන්න we have to use the brain. No. Brain එකෙන් තමයි අපි guess කරන්නේ නේද? Conclude mean the end. අවසන් කරනවා conclude. Right? Okay. C. So the correct, more suitable answer is C. Right. Number 7. The instrument is
Microscope.
Microscope. Okay. I think you know other parts. No, telescope, hand lens. You know. Telescope mean what? As they came up, telescope. Write that one. Hand lens. The using the lens. Also there is a chair, right? Handle like a kuttiyanawa. Right. Number 7 answer, correct answer is microscope. Right. Then I'm going to the number 8. Select the property of air from the given answers. Property of air. Air mean matter, no? Right? Air mean matter. There are 3 types of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Air belongs to gas. Air not definite shape and not definite volume. So what is the answer? Number
No different shape.
4.
Number 4.
Number 4. No definite shape. That's the most suitable answer. Okay. Right. Then number 9, look at A, B, C, D, E in the picture are respectively. I think you can see A. A mean roots. B, stem. C, leaves.
First answer is correct one.
D,
First one is the correct
yes,
one.
is flowers.
First one is suitable answer.
So the correct answer should be the first answer. Are you correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is the meaning of the stem?
Stem mean handa. Stem handa.
We can use another word for stem. Trunk.
Yes, trunk. Also another word, no? But in science,
Mama sir करे 5 pages sir. आणि टिक करायला सर.
why?
Pamela teacher me photo.
Right, okay. Look at the next one. Which sentence describe the observation and reason of the below experiment? Do you remember this experiment?
Yes, sir.
For which
Yes.
one we have to do this one? මොකටද අපි මේක කරන්නේ? To show the air occupy the space. Right? Air කියන එක space එක ගන්නවා කියන එක තමයි අපි මේකෙන් පෙන්නන්නේ. So look at what is the correct answer? Water does not enter the glass. Air needs a space. So the correct answer number 2. Right? මම හිතන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ මතක ඇති මෙතන අපි handkerchief එකක් දාලා පොඩ්ඩක් check කරා නේද observations මොනවද කියලා. Then handkerchief
My answer is correct, sir.
does not wet. ඒක තෙමුනේ නැහැ. Right? Okay. That's the answer. Number 11 look at. Sorry.
I think 4.
හරි දාගන්න ඕනේද?
හරි දාගත්තේ නැති වුණත් කමක් නැහැ. ඔයගොල්ලෝ පොඩ්ඩක් අවශ්‍ය නම් ඔයගොල්ලෝ මාක් කරගන්න. ඔයගොල්ලෝ කරලා නම් තියෙන්නේ complete කීයක් හරිද කියලා බලන්න නේද? Right. Then you can satisfy no.
මම සේරම කරේ නැහැ.
ඒක තමයි.
අදගෙන ආවේ.
හරි ඒකනේ නේද අර හැමෝම කරලා නැති.
තේරම කරා හරි දාගන්නද?
කමන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලන් කැමැත්තක් කරන්න. Okay. No problem. This is not the paper, right? This one I gave for revise your memory. Why? You have to face the second term test, no? Right? Soon, right? Another 2 weeks I will give it. And එතන paper එකක්, okay? You have to get more marks. හරිද? හොඳට පාඩම් කරලා ලියන්න ඕන. Right. Number 11. The method of locomotion. Locomotion mean what? Locomotion mean moving one place to another place.
Moving one place to another place.
Moving one place to another place we call locomotion. The method of locomotion of monitor, crocodile, gecko. Right? I think you know these animals, no? What's the meaning of gecko? Gecko means Una. Not gecko.
Walking and creeping.
Yes. Look at what is the correct answer? Most suitable answer. What?
Number 2 creeping.
Yes.
ක්‍රොකොඩයිල් මෙන් කිඹුලා නේද?
Kimbula. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපි animals ලා ගන්නෙ කොහොමද? Creeping animals ලා විදියට. Right? බඩ ගන්න සතුන් විදියට. සමහර walking and creeping කියලා සමහරු ගන්න ඇති, but most suitable answer creeping. Okay? Monitor, crocodile,
Monitor.
gecko, huna.
The monitor.
Abara.
My answer is incorrect, sir.
So there is a monitor.
පොත්තට කියන්නේ මොකද්ද සර්?
Huh?
Sir, walking and creeping.
පොත්තට කියන්නේ මොකද්ද සර්?
Cockroach.
Okay.
Right. Okay. That's the answer number 2. Okay. Right. Then I am going to the 12th one. Also, this type of animal, another one. I can give another example, iguana. Right? Do you know the iguana?
Yes, sir.
Alagoya, neda?
Alagoya.
Another animal for this group. Okay. Right. Now look at the 12th one. Animal who do not move are called blank.
Terrestrial.
Terrestrial.
Right. Look at the correct answer. I think you can understand the question, no?
Number 3.
Who do not move are called blank animal. Do not move. It can move any natty animal. The examples for do not move animal, sea anemone, hydra, like that animals.
Coral pipe.
Coral polyps, right? Like that one. They are fixed to the surface. They're going to move in the bag. Right? Movement when a locomote karana bag. Right? Aquatic mean jalaja. Terrestrial godabima. Sedentary. Sedentary mean, that's the mean of do not move. Right? So the correct answer what? Sedentary. So you mark that one. Sedentary. Sedentary mean what? They are fixed to the surface. හරි ඒගොල්ලෝ surface එකට fix වෙලා ඉන්න අය. Sedentary animals. What are the examples? Sea anemone, the hydra, coral polyps, right? Like that. Especially hydra and coral polyps. Okay, right. Then look at the next one. The plant that do not have a fibrous root system. Do you know the fibrous root system? There are two types of root system: taproot system and fibrous root system. Taproot system mean this one. I will draw the rough sketch. That's the taproot system plant. I think you can understand this one, okay? That's the taproot system plant. Fibrous root system mean this one, like this. Taproot mean what? This one. Taproot mean this one. What? Mudunmula? Taproot. Fibrous mode does not contain taproot.
Kuda.
Right? What are the examples? Look at this one. Fibrous root system. Do not have
Coconut. Coconut.
coconut has or hasn't the taproot. Coconut ke mudunmula
Not have a
Not have.
Okay. එහෙනම් ඒක මේකට අයිති දාන්ස එක. It is not, no, do not have fibrous root. Fibrous root නැති ඒවා. Maize mean what? බඩ ඉරිඟු.
Badairingu.
Maize mean බඩ ඉරිඟු. ඒකේ තියෙන්නේ fibrous root. Paddy also contain fibrous root. Ampala. That's the answer. It has the taproot. Right? It is the taproot system plant. So what is the correct answer? If you want quickly, you can draw these two figures of your tube. Right? This one we call taproot. This one we call taproot. Lot of things you can study about grade 7. Okay. This one is taproot system. This one is fibrous.
The taproot mean මුදුන්මුල නේද?
Mudunmula.
So what is the meaning of the paddy?
Paddy. Oh. Did you eat lunch? Did you get the lunch?
Yes, sir.
Which thing you ate? මොනවද කෑවද?
Nice.
That's the paddy, no? Right? Paddy කියන්නේ මොනවද? අර wheat වලට නේද? හාල්. කුඹුරු paddy field.
Maize.
Okay. This root system you write down, fibrous root system.
සර් චුට්ටක් බෝඩ් එකට යන්නකෝ මුදුන්මුලට කියන්නේ ඉංග්‍රීසි වචනය.
TAP, taproot. I will type here, okay? Taproot. This position I will type taproot.
අනිත් එකට කියන්නේ fiber root
Okay, sir.
නේද සර්? ඔය 13 වෙනි ප්‍රශ්නේ තියෙන වචනේ.
Fibrous root mean අර තන්තු සහිත ඒවා මුදුන් මුලක් නැති ඒවා. Right? This one is fibrous root system.
Kudamul.
ඔව් ඒ කියන්නේ අර ප්‍රධාන මුලක් නැතුව නේද coconut වල තියෙන්නේ fibrous root system. Maize also has fibrous root system. ඉරිඟු වල. Paddy also has the fibrous root system. But Tampala has the main root, no? It is taproot system. Mango, which type? Fibrous root or taproot? Mango.
Taproot.
System, no? Taproot system. Right. Okay. I think you can understand about that. So you remember what's the answer? Number 4. Tampala. Okay, right. Number 14, look at, select the property of a gas from the below phrases. Property of a gas.
Phrases mean what?
Phrases mean මේ පහළ දීලා තියෙන sentences. හරි අර ඒ වගන්ති.
Okay.
Phrase.
Okay, sir.
Look at, there are 3 sentences given A, B, C. First one, look at, does not have a mass. Gas. Gas mean air, no? What can you say about this one? Air has a mass.
Air has
Yes, air has a mass. So this one is incorrect. Right? It is not the, it is a property. Sorry, it is not the property. Does not have a mass. Does not. නැහැ කියලා කියන්නේ. Mass එකක් නැහැ කියලා. It is incorrect, no? Air has a mass. So it is incorrect. Next one, has a definite volume. It is correct, no? Right? Gas has a definite volume. It is correct. Can be compressed easily. Compress mean what? මෙහෙම තද කරන්න පුළුවන්. Right? You think you can fill the air to the balloon. Right? You can fill the air to the balloon. Balloon එකට ඔකට නේද පුම්බන්න පුළුවන් නේ. Then you can compress. නේද? මෙහෙම තලන්න පුළුවන් නේද ඒක. Right? It is correct. So what is the answer? Number 14 answer. Second one, B and C.
සර් B and C කියත මේ fourth එකේ තියෙනවනේ.
Another mistake, no? Right. Okay, it is another printing mistake. Right. I quickly prepared this one. That's the reason. Okay. ඒක වෙන answer එකක් වෙන්න ඕන. Right. Okay. You remember what is the answer? B and C.
B and C.
You write down the next one, fourth one, A, B, C, all like that. Like එතකොට හරිය නේද? මේක A, B, C, all. Then the correct answer.
මම ගහුවේ fourth one එකට.
Fourth one. Okay. එහෙනම් අනිත් එක මාක් කරගන්න A, B, C, all කියලා. Okay. Right. So you remember කොහොම වුණත් කමන්නේ answer එක මොකක් වුණත් ඔයගොල්ලෝ මතක තියාගන්න. එහෙනම් what are the properties? Has no definite volume, can be
compressed easily.
easily. That's the properties of a gas. Right. Number 15, which is used to protect from corroding. Corroding mean,
Corroding mean
yes, corroding mean, do you know the iron? What happened after few years for the iron? මොනවද වෙන්නේ යකඩ කෑල්ලක් අවුරුදු ගානකට තියුණා. මලකඩ කනවා. right, මලකඩ කනවට කියන්නේ අපි රස්ට් කියලා. මලකඩ කනවට කියන්නේ රස්ට්. RUST. corrode mean what? දිරාපත්. right, විකාදනය වෙනවා කියලා සිංහලෙන් කියන්නේ corrode mean අර දිරාපත් වෙනවා කියන්නේ නේ දිරනවා කියන්නේ අපි. අන්න corrode mean දිරනවා. How we can protect from corroding?
What the meaning of corroding?
Corroding දිරනවා කියන එක. දිරනවා කියන්නේ අපිනේ යකඩ වගේ දේවල් දිරන්නේ මලකඩ කාලේ ඉවර වෙලා නේද කෑලි හැලිලා. අන්න ඒක. Right. What is the suitable method? How we can prevent the corroding?
tar
Tar. It is suitable. No, what? ඔයගොල්ලෝ මලකඩ කන්නේ නැති වෙන්න මොනවද කරන්නේ? Apply paint, no? Apply paint. So the correct answer, first one, okay? Paint. Right, number 16, look at, select the flying mammal. Mammal who is flying.
ඊරපායි.
Flying. Mammal means ශීරපායි. නර කිරිබීල වැඩෙන සත්තු flying.
ශීරපායි
number A bat
From the given set of
Bat.
animal, I think you know. bat. Right, that's the flying mammal. Right, bat is not the bird, right? It is mammal. Spider has how many legs?
8 legs.
8 legs.
8.
Right, mainly water is absorbed to the tree by, absorbed mean උරා ගන්නවා, අවශෝෂණය කර ගන්නවා.
Roots.
By
roots.
roots.
Number 4, roots.
Right, by roots. Number 19, the thing which occupies space in the nature. I think you know, occupy space, there are two types of things in our environment, matter and energy. Energy does not occupy space, only matter occupies space. So you check what are the matter, what are the examples for matter. Heat is energy, light
Energy.
electricity energy.
Energy.
Ant is not an.
Ant is not.
So the correct answer
Number 4, ant.
for ant. If you want, you can write here with different color pen. You can write here like that one. Okay. මෙතනින් ඔයගොල්ලෝ පොඩ්ඩක් note එකක් දාගන්න පුළුවන්. Matter occupy space. Matter occupies space. That's the reason for ant for this one answer. Right, then I am going to the 20th. 97%. Right, 97%. How we read this one?
So can you explain 19th again?
19th, the occupy space only matter, no? Right, there are two types of things in our environment, matter and energy. Matter mean occupy space and has a mass. Right, matter කියන්නේ මොනවද? අර බරක් තියෙන ඒ වගේම occupy space, අවකාශය ඉඩක් ගන්න දේවල්. Energy mean do not occupy space and haven't a mass. Right, so you look at, you check what are the matters. මෙතන තියෙන matters මොනවද කියලා ඔයගොල්ලෝ check කරන්න. Heat is energy. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ඕන මෙතනින් මෙහෙම නේද? පොඩි arrow එකක් දාලා heat, you can write energy. Light also energy. Electricity also energy. And is matter. So what is the correct answer? Ant. Right, occupy space only matter. Right, that's a special property of matter. Right, හරි ඒක මතක තියාගන්න. Okay, matter mean what? The things occupy space and have a mass, we call matter. Right, number 20, 97% of water in the hydrosphere. Hydro mean related to water. Right, hydrosphere mean what? Jalagolaya. Right, Jalagolaya, hydrosphere. මොනවද hydrosphere එකේ වැඩිපුරම තියෙන ජලය?
Number 8. Number 1, marine water.
Marine water.
Marine water.
නිකන් හිතලා බලන්න නේද? දැන් ලෝකය ගත්තාම earth එක ගත්තාම වැඩිපුරම තියෙන්නේ මොනවද? Oceans and seas, no? Right, there are a lot of oceans and seas covered from the earth. Right, earth covered from the lot of oceans and seas. They contain, in the oceans and seas contain marine water. Right, marine water කියන්නේ මොනවද? මොහොතේ තියෙන නේද? කරදිය කියලා කියන්නේ අපි. Right, fresh water මිරිදිය, brackish water කිවුල් දිය නේද? brackish water. where you can brackish water.
Lagoons.
water,
Lagoons.
well,
Lagoon වල තමයි brackish water තියන්නේ. Fresh water we can get in rivers, streams,
Wells.
well, rivers, right? Like that, no? Muddy water. මඩ ජලය නේද? මඩ වතුර නෑනේ ගොඩක්, right? So correct answer. Most of the water amount contain marine water. Right, now I discussed 20 questions, no? Now how many questions are correct?
all,
18 questions.
Okay. Right.
all 20.
මම හිතන්නේ මේකෙන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ තව ටිකක් පාඩම් කරගන්න ඇති නේද? පොත් එහෙම බලන්න ඇති නේද? lessons තුන පාඩම් කරන්න. Right. Knowledge එක පොඩ්ඩක් වැඩි කරගන්න නේද? Right. Next week I will give another
Sir, පළවෙනි මේ 1 to 7 correct answers ටික කියනවද?
okay.
මම මට ඒ sir
Question number
කියන්න
again I will say question number 1, third answer. Second one answer is 1. Third question answer is 1. Fourth question number 3. Fifth question
sir 1 එකේ
the most suitable answer number 3. Question number 6, 4. Question number 7 answer is 1. Okay, now I am going to 21st. Select the pair of fruits with no seeds. Yes.
1 and 2 lessons. I can't see in Google Classroom.
I uploaded all lessons to the Google Classroom. No?
No, I can't see 1 and 2 lessons.
Why? What's the problem? Others? Can you watch?
Cancer.
Can, no? Yes.
Cancer.
Right. Okay, again you try. Mr.
Can you upload the videos again, please?
Right, okay. But I think it is not the problem here. Right, I will check again that one, okay? Right. Look at the number 21. Select the pair of fruits with more seeds. Seeds mean, I think you know, seeds, atta. Right? More seeds. Avocado, naminam. Guava, papaya. Avocado, papaya. Naminam, papaya. Which one the correct answer? This one, no? Second.
Number 2, guava, papaya.
Right? That's the two fruits contained with more seeds. Right? අර වැඩිපුරම නේද ඇට තියෙන ඒවා. Right. Number 22. This is a special feature that can be seen with plant. Can you guess which one the correct answer?
Number 4,
Produce.
energy.
Okay, correct. You read carefully. This is a special feature that can be seen within plant. I think you know plant do photosynthesis process, no? Plant do photosynthesis process.
Yeah.
Which
Yes.
plant? Which plant? Yes. All plants කරනවද මේ photosynthesis process එක? No.
Yes, no, sir.
No. Which plant?
Only green plants.
Green color plants. What's the reason for green color? It is contained
Because they have
chlorophyll,
a chlorophyll.
right? Because they have chlorophyll. That's the reason for green color. Okay?
I think that green color natural වෙන ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. ඔක්කොම green color.
Green color එහෙමද? Croton එහෙම?
Croton tree.
Yes, croton tree, green color or other colors? Not green.
Other color.
Right? There
other
are,
colors.
another examples we can give for not green color. Okay, right? That's the reason for the photosynthesis process. That's a special feature
Red kampala.
within the, yes, red kampala, no? Right? That's not green. Right?
Na.
Yes. Okay, so look at the answer for the number 22. Special feature of seen within the plant has chlorophyll. Movement we can see also plant and animals. Okay, sensitivity or sanvedanaya also we can see plant and animals. Right? දැන් ඕගොල්ලෝගේ නේද කටුවක් කනනොත් ඕගොල්ලන්ට ඒක දැනෙනවනේ නේද? රිදෙනවනේ. That's a sensitive. Also, the mimosa plant, when we touch, they are going to sleep in mode, no? Right? That's a sensitive.
Sleeping.
That's a sensitive. Produce energy. Also, both plants and animals produce energy. So the correct answer, more suitable answer, has chlorophyll. In your body contain chlorophyll. තියෙනවද?
No.
එහෙනම් ඔයගොල්ලෝ කොළ පාට වෙන්න ඕන නේද? Right? No. You are not the green
No, sir.
color. So in our body not containing the chlorophyll. Right. Okay. Then number 23. Which of the following fruits contains highest percentage of water? I think you can understand tomato, maize. Another name for maize, sorghum. Okay. Pineapple, radish. What is the correct answer? Tomato.
Tomato.
Yes, tomato. Okay, that's a correct.
Sir, what's the meaning of radish?
Radish rabu. Then I am going to number 24. Example for warm-blooded animals are. Do you know warm-blooded? There are two types of animals, warm-blooded and cold-blooded. Right? Warm and cold. Right? Warm-blooded mean their body temperature can't be changed according to the environment. ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ body temperature එක අර environment එකට අනුව change කරගන්න බැරි අයට තමයි අපි warm blooded කියලා කියන්නේ. Right? Warm blooded. Can you change your temperature, your body temperature according to the environment? Can or can't? Your body temperature?
Can't.
So we are warm blooded animals. Right? අපි කවුද warm blooded? අපිට ඒ environment එකට අනුව change කරගන්න බෑ. Right? But some can be changed the temperature, body temperature according to the environment. සමහර සත්තුන්ට පුළුවන්. So you remember there are two types of animals are considered warm blooded animal, birds and mammals. Right? If you want, you can write here. Small thing you can write like this. There are two types of warm-blooded animals. There are two types of warm-blooded animals such as birds and mammals. Right? Birds like mammals like tamai warm-blooded animals la wenni. Anith okkoma aya cold-bloodeds. Right? Right. Now look at what is the correct answer. Third one, no? Birds.
Birds, man.
Man also belongs to mammals group. So correct answer, birds and man. Okay, do you understand? Upper classes, you can study
Yes,
about
sir.
more things about this. Now you are in only grade 6, right? Basic theories you can get your mind. Mesandi asks, what's the meaning of maize? Sorghum. Maize, sorghum, same meaning for iringu. Right? Bada iringu කියලා කියන්නේ අපි නේද? අන්න ඒවා. Right? I think you eat. Right. Then I'm going to number 25. Look at the 25th question. Select the natural thing from the answer. Natural. What is the opposite meaning of natural? Opposite meaning of natural? Artificial.
Unnatural.
No, artificial.
Man-made thing.
Right? Artificial. Artificial mean the things with man-made, no? Minisung missing hadana deval. Artificial. Right. We have to select natural things. Natural thing. Straws. I think you drink the drinks using the straws, no? They
Bean butter.
beamer butter. It is artificial. PVC, nylon, artificial. Nylon, I think you know nylon, no? Ar velawal bandinna ganne.
Yes, sir.
It is artificial. The mango tree.
Correct answer is number 2, mango tree.
Mango tree.
Natural.
Right, that's the 25th answer. Then I'm going to 26th one, which is not in the gaseous state. Gaseous state එකේ නැති එක. Right?
One.
Can you give the correct answer? Water droplets.
Number 1, water drops.
Yeah, water droplets in liquid form, no? The correct answer, number 1. Mist, miduma, it's contain gas state. Water vapor also contain gas state, no? When we boil the water at 100 Celsius degrees, it become to gas state. Right. 27th one, look at. This is a diagram. Show an experiment which is done by Sandun. Right? මේ සඳුන් කරපු පොඩි එක්ස්පෙරිමන්ට් එකක ඩයග්‍රෑම් එකක් තියෙන්නේ. He gave all factors to A and B except one factor. මේ දෙකටම එකම factors දීලා තියෙනවා එකක් හැර. What could be that? I think you can the difference between these two, no? What is the difference? This tree, the B figured tree bent towards the direction, one direction. නේද? bend වෙලා තියෙනවා යා. නැවිලා තියෙනවා. What's the reason?
Showing.
No, light. Light. Right? අර
Sunlight.
tree එකක් බලන්න ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ නේද ගේ ඇතුලේ තියලා ගේ ඇතුලේ තියුවොත් window එකක් හරියෙන් තියුවොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? අර window එක පැත්තට light එළිය fall වෙන පැත්තට තමයි එයා bend වෙලා draw වීමක් වෙන්නේ. Right? So you remember the answer is light. Okay. Then look at the next one. What is this? Do you know? What is the chart? What is the name? How we classify using this the special
දෙබුදුන් සූචි.
yes, dichotomous key. Right? We call this one dichotomous key.
Dichotomous T.
Right? Okay. Look, number 28 and 29, according to this chart, A and B should be A, man, B, frog. What is the suitable answer?
Number 2,
Number 2,
territorials.
terrestrial
Amphibians.
ගොඩබිම ජීවත් වෙන නේද? terrestrial ගොඩබිම ජීවත් වෙන. Amphibians both living
Ubayajiri.
terrestrial and aquatic, right? Water and terrestrial ගොඩබිම සහ ජලයේ ජීවත් වෙන උභයජීවි. So correct answer is number 2. Other answers incorrect, no? Man is not the amphibian. The third one, look at man with wings. It is the incorrect answer, no? But fourth answer, man walking. It is correct, but frog creeping. It is incorrect, no? So the correct answer number 2. Above classification is what? Dichotomous key. Number 29, second answer, dichotomous key. Right, number 30, look at organisms that cannot be observed with naked eye are called
Microorganisms.
microorganisms, right? Microorganisms. Can you see your naked eye COVID-19 virus?
No.
No. So we call them microorganisms. No?
Microorganisms.
Do you know what are the groups of microorganisms? What are the types of microorganisms? There are 5 types. You remember?
Bacteria. Amoeba.
No. I will type.
Amoeba, bacteria. Bacteria.
Yeah, if you want, you can count down. Okay. Virus.
Virus. Fungi.
Fungi,
Fungus.
Chlamydomonas.
amoeba.
Chlamydomonas.
No, Chlamydomonas is the type of the main type, right? If you want, you can write down the special types of microorganisms. Another one is algae. Okay. Bacteria, virus, fungi, amoeba, and algae.
Algae.
Right. Then look at 31st question, number 31. The main function of a leaf is, what's the main function of plant leaf? Do you know? Absorb water. It is correct or incorrect? Absorb water.
Correct.
Absorb water.
Incorrect.
Absorb water. Plant roots, no? From plant roots. That's the main function of roots, not the main function of leaf. Produce food. Do you know the photosynthesis process occur which part of the tree? In leaf, right? Photosynthesis කොහෙද වෙන්නේ? Leaf එකේ. So what is the correct answer? Produces
Number 2.
number 2. Can you tell me bearing fruits? What is the part of the tree? Bearing fruits. Bearing mean dara gannawa. Hari ar gedi kohe.
Branches.
Yes, branches and also stems, no? Right, branches. Right. 31st answer is number 2. Now I'm going to the 32nd one. The highest percentage of water of the Earth's surface is found in where?
Oceans.
Also previous part I said that one, no? I described this one, oceans. Right. Now look at the next one. The phenomena mean earlier I said, no? What's the meaning of phenomena? Do you remember? Phenomena mean sansiddhiya. The phenomena is found in any place in Sri Lanka, right? Any place in Sri Lanka. What's the phenomena we can found? Snow and
Mist and dew.
yes, mist and dew,
Mist
ice
and dew.
and mist, dew and snow.
Dew and snow.
Open look at snow. We can't see in our country, no? In which country we can see? The
Australia.
yes, some cold
Arctic, Antarctic.
cold animals, right? In
North Pole.
some
Arctic, Antarctic.
yes. Then also ice we can't see in our country. So third one is incorrect. Also snow we can't see in our country. First one also incorrect. Mist and dew.
Number 2.
Dew
Mist
mean what?
and dew.
Dew mean what? Pini.
Meeduma.
Mist meeduma.
Meeduma.
පින්න කියන්නේ අපි නේද? තුෂාර කියන්නේ පින්න අන්නේ. Dew. So correct answer number 2. Right. Then 34th one look at. Select the pair of fruits and seeds contain more water. Right. වැඩිපුර නේද water තියෙන දේවල් මොනවද? Tomato and cucumber. Maize and paddy. Cashew and mango. Jackfruit and mango.
One tomato.
Number 1. Tomato and cucumber.
Yes. Tomato and cucumber. What's the meaning of cucumber?
Number 1. Tomato and cucumber. Kakiri.
Yes.
Kakiri.
Kakiri.
Pipinya.
Oh, pipinya කියනවා නේද? Right. 35. Question number 35. Look at. We see more kidney damage patient in dry zone environment. Dry zone environment. වියලි කලාපයේ තමයි නේද ගොඩාක් kidney damages patients ලා ඉන්නේ. Because what's the reason? Look at the correct answer. Their drinking water contain more minerals. They take polluted food. They do more work. The temperature is very high in that area. What is the most suitable answer?
Number 1. Their drinking water contains more
Yes.
minerals.
First one.
Number one, sir.
This one is not the main only one reason. Okay, there are a lot of reasons. I think you know in Anuradhapura Polonnaru area, no, the lot of people have kidney damages, kidney diseases. What is the reason? The Polonnaru and Anuradhapura area is the very famous for the agriculture purposes, no, right? Agriculture, neither. Right? They use a lot of chemicals, right? Agrochemicals. ඒවට නේද එක එක රසායනික ද්‍රව්‍ය භාවිතා කරනවා. Then these agrochemicals yes enter to the body, right? ඒ වගේ මිනිස්සුන්ගේ නේද ඒගොල්ලෝගේ ඇඟට ඒ විෂ ඇතුල් වෙනවා. Then they have to face the kidney damages problems. ඔය සමහර නේද අනුරාධපුර පැත්තේ නේද මිනිස්සුන්ගේ ඒ තියෙන වගේ මිනරල්ස් එහෙම වැඩි water වල ඒගොල්ලෝගේ අර teeth yellow color වෙලා තියෙනවා, right? ඒ තරම් ඒක අහිතකරයි. Look at the 36th one. We can store more air in small cylinder because what is the correct answer?
Number 2.
Gas molecules keep less space. Gas molecules are very light. Gas molecules can be compressed easily. Gas molecules do not have definite mass. Right? All answers are very close answers. What is the most suitable answer?
Number 2.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Do you remember?
Third one.
The previous question I discussed about the gas. What is the special property of gas? Compressed, you know, right? What is the most suitable answer for this question? Third one. Gas molecules can be compressed easily, right? Okay, compressed easily, right දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ වගේ අර අන්ඩර්ලයින් කරන questions වලදී ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ගොඩක් එක වගේ answers දෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඒකින්ද ඔයගොල්ලෝ select කරගන්න ඕන most suitable. right සමහර විට නේද හරියට ඒවා දෙකක් වගේ තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. what is the most suitable answer? You have to select. Right. 37th one, look at which of the following is not a liquid?
Water vapor.
Water vapor.
Water vapor.
Water vapor.
Vinegar, water, milk of lime. Right, milk of lime mean I think we use for identify the carbon dioxide. No, do you remember the activity?
Yes.
What is the observation of the activity? Do you remember?
So what's the meaning of integer?
Vinegar. Vinegar
Yes.
in your system you can find vinagiri. Right? Vinegar mean vinagiri. Milk of lime hunudiyara. Right? What is the observation? The lime water turn the color into milky color. Right? Off white. Right. 38th one, look at water near poles of earth component is in poles mean north, northern and southern pole, which is state?
Number 1,
Solid
liquid state.
Oh, it is correct.
Number 3, solid state.
This state, no?
Number 3.
Right. I think you know the northern and southern pole. We can observe the glaciers, right? Glaciers.
Number 3.
Solid state. So the correct answer number 3. Right. Then I am going to 39th one, which is not vaporizer. Vaporizer mean vashpavima. Right. Now look at what is the not vaporizers. Wine spirit. It is vaporizer, no? Right. Wine spirit ඔයගොල්ලෝ නේද environment එකට expose කරලා තියුවොත් ඒක vaporize වෙනවා. Cinnamon oil also vaporize නේද? ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ cinnamon oil සුවඳ එනවනේ නේද? Open කරලා තියෙනකොට. Cologne also vaporize.
Mercury.
Mercury.
That's the answer. It is not the
Mercury.
vaporizer. Do you know mercury used for which instruments? මොනටද අපි mercury use කරන්නේ?
So
Buddha.
mercury mean what?
mercury
Buddha.
mercury රසදිය. බුධ නෙවෙයි, not the planet. Right? Mercury රසදිය. I think you know the thermometer. Yes. We use the measure the temperature of your body temperature, no? Right? Also there's a bulb of the thermometer. This bulb filled with mercury. හරි thermometer එකේ අර bulb එක fill කරලා තියෙන්නේ mercury වලින්. Right? It is not the vaporizer. Right. 40th one, look at question number 40. When solid turns to liquid. When solid turns to liquid. You think example ice turns into water, liquid water. What happened?
Hardness will decrease.
Look at the first one. Space will increase between molecules. හරි ඒ වගේ අතර තියෙන අංශු අතර ඒ particles අතර space එක වැඩි වෙනවා. It is correct or incorrect? Correct.
Correct.
Movement of molecules will increase. අර particles අතර move වෙන්න තියෙන ප්‍රමාණය වැඩි වෙනවා. It is correct.
Excuse me, sir.
Decrease.
Sorry for disturbing.
Yes.
Can you tell me the answer for the 39 and 40, please?
40 also I am discussed. 39th one. 39th one, mercury. Okay, 39 answer mercury.
Thank you, sir.
40 look at first one is correct, no? Second one also correct. Third one, hardness will decrease. Hardness mean tada bava. Which one more hardness, ice or water? ice no
Ice.
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 අදට දැනෙන්නේ ice වල නේද? So hardness will decreases when solid convert to liquid, hardness will decreases. It is also correct. So what is the answer? All answers are correct.
Number 3.
All are correct. Right? All are correct. So the correct answer is fourth one.
192.
Right. Do you remember the properties of things? What are the properties we discussed? Hardness, malleability, brittleness, ductility, elasticity, texture, right? Like that, lot of things we discuss in the lesson number 2, right? I think you remember, right? You have to study again, revise your knowledge. First, I will explain what are the means of this one, okay? What's the mean of malleability? Malleability කියන්නේ මොනවද? Malleability mean the ability to bend metal, ability to drawn through thin sheet. It's එකක් බවට පත් කිරීම තමයි malleability කියලා කියන්නේ. Right? Also, brittleness mean what? When we apply the small force, they break down. හරි අර බින්දෙන සුළු බව brittleness. Ductility mean when we stretch the thing, it's become to thin wire. හරි ඇද්දට පස්සේ අර wire එකක් බවට පත් කිරීමේ හැකියාව. Elasticity, I think you know what are the examples for elasticity, no?
Rubber, elastic.
Rubber and elastic, no? Examples.
Yes.
Also texture mean when we touch the surface, we can feel the smooth or rough surfaces. That's the meaning of texture, right? එහෙනම් ඔන්න ඔය වගේ properties ටිකක් තියෙනවා. There are 6 properties we have to remember. Look at this one. The ability to metal to be hammered without breaking into pieces is called hammered කරාට
Ductility.
කැලුවට පස්සේ අර thin sheet එකක් බවට පත් කිරීමේ හැකියාව. Right? මොනවාද answer එක? What is the correct answer?
Number 3. Ductility.
No.
Number 1.
Malleability.
Number 1.
Malleability.
Number 4.
No, malleability. First one. Right? Brittleness කියන්නේ කැඩෙන බව, බින්දෙන ස්වභාවය. Ductility කියන්නේ අර wire එකක් බවට පත් කිරීම. ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඔන්න මෙතන ලියා ගන්න. Convert to sheet. Right? Malleability. The rough idea. With different color pen, you can write down, no? Malleability mean what? Convert into sheet. Right? Brittleness, I think you remember, no? Breakdown. Break down small pieces. Ductility mean what? Convert into wires. I think other part you can remember, no? Hardness mean what? Hardness mean what? The resistance to scratch and abrasion. හරි අර හූරනකොට සහ ඒ කියන්නේ කැඩෙන්නේ නැති අද බව තමයි අපි hardness කියලා කියන්නේ. So 41st correct answer should be the first answer. Okay, first answer. Right. Then I am going to 42nd one. 42nd one, look at. Which of the following pairs can be easily into the 3 physical status? Which of the following pairs can be easily into the 3 physical status? What are the three physical status? Solid, liquid, gas. Right? බලන්න මෙතන තියෙන දේවල් වලින් මේ status තුනටම ගන්න පුළුවන් දේවල් මොනවද තියෙන්නේ? Paraffin, what's the meaning of paraffin? Do you know? Paraffin mean what? ඉටි. Right? ඉටි පන්දම් වල තියෙන්නේ නේද? Paraffin candles contain the paraffin. The paraffin can you convert into all status? Candle, which state? Solid state, no? When it burn, light up, it become to liquid state, also gas state. So paraffin contain all states. What are the other thing? Water contain all states. So what is the correct answer? Number 1. Right?
Yes,
Sir, excuse me, sir. Second answer.
Yes, correct, sir.
First word. What's the meaning of that?
Mercury. Mercury mean rasadiya, no? Right? Previous question also I explained this one. No? Mercury. Mercury.
Paraffin.
Paraffin iti. Right? Candle made with paraffin.
Thank you, sir.
Copper and iron we can't convert into easily other status, no? Right? They are contained in solid state. Right. Okay. Now I am going to 43rd one. Look at question number 43. Which of the following pairs show malleability? Right? Do you remember malleability? Malleability mean what? Convert into thin sheet. Right? What is the correct answer? Plastic and rubber has elastic nature, no? Water has in the malleability. Also water has in the malleability, no? අපිට water එකක් බෑනේ sheet එකක් බවට පත් කරන්න. So it is incorrect. Copper and aluminium. Third one, no? Right? That's the correct answer. 43rd question.
Sir,
Yes.
can you explain again 42 question answer?
42nd one answer only, no? Answer is the first one. Paraffin and water.
Thank you, sir.
Right. 44th one, look at. Which of the following pairs shows hardness? Glass hardness or not? Glass very easily broken, no? It is not the hardness. So first one is incorrect. Second one also incorrect. Why? Because contain glass. Fourth one also incorrect, no? Also contain glass. Stone and bricks. Stone and bricks are hardness things. So what is the correct answer? Third one.
Third one.
Yes, third answer is the correct answer. Right. Next one, look at. When we touch things, we feel roughness or smoothness. It is called what? Texture. Texture. Texture mean what? When we-
Texture mean?
Huh?
What's the meaning of texture?
Texture mean feel the rough or smooth. When we touch the surface.
Sir, texture කියන්න වචනේ නේද?
Texture වල සිංහල meaning එකද? සිංහල
Smooth mean.
Yes,
Smooth
sir.
mean.
වයනේ.
meaning එක බලන්න.
Sir, smooth meaning.
Texture, you remember what's the meaning of texture? If you touch a surface, you can feel the rough or smooth. Right? අපි මොකක් හරි surface එකක් මෙහෙම touch කරනකොට අපි අතට දැනෙනවා rough ද smooth ද කියලා නේද? සිනිඳු එකක්ද ගොරෝසු එකක්ද කියලා. That's the meaning of texture. Right? You think when you touch the sandpaper, what you can feel? Sandpaper mean what? වැලි කොලයක්.
වැලි කොලයක්. වැලි කඩදාසි.
එතකොට මොනවද තියෙන්නේ? Roughness or smoothness?
Roughness.
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 Roughness. Talc powder. Talc
Alchemy.
talcum powder, right? Sometimes you apply your face, no? Talc.
Smoothness.
Smooth.
Smooth.
Okay, I think you can
Sir,
understand.
what is the single meaning of talc?
Which one?
Talc?
Talc powder. Puyara. Talc.
Powder.
Yes. Powder is also English name, no? Right. Resistance to scratch හූරනවා. Abstraction no cutting is. Right? හූරන්න අමාරු, කට් කරන්න අමාරු දේවල් වලට අපි මොකක් කියලාද කියන්නේ? Hardness.
Hardness.
Right? Hardness. 47th one, look at the things with a mass and occupy space are known as. What is the answer?
First one, matter.
That's
First answer, matter.
matter. Matter means, you remember, matter mean the things which are have a mass and occupy space.
Excuse me, sir. 45 answer what?
45 texture.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Then I am going to 48 one. Look at light energy, heat energy, wind energy. All are energy types, no? What's a special feature? Energy mean what? Have no mass, does not occupy space, no? So now you can select the answer. Second one, no? Do
Not take space, has no mass.
right? These questions are not difficult, okay? If you remember the theories, no? Very easily. Right? හරියට නේද ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ ස්ටඩි කරා නම් මේ ටික නේද පහසුවෙන්ම මේවා ලියන්න පුළුවන්. Right. Then look at the next one. A boy has collected a water bottle, a piece of stone, and a feather. They are called what? What is the most suitable answer?
Solid.
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 Matter.
Yes. What is the most suitable answer? Third and fourth
Matter.
answers are incorrect.
Fourth one. Matter. Fourth one.
Most suitable answer is matter. Right? Matter. Right? Feathers are not the examples for solid, no? Right? Right. Now look at this one, 50th. This picture shows particles in a, right? Now look at the particles are spread lot of areas, no? What? Gas. Right? Gas. Do you know what's the meaning of particles? Particles කියනව දන්නවද ඔයගොල්ලෝ? මොනවද particles කියන්නේ? You think, I think in your school, teachers write with chalk. නේද? chalk වලින් නේ teachers ලා ලියන්නේ. Right? ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පුළුවන්.
Yes.
chalk කෑල්ලක් අරගෙන නේද? එක කෑල්ලක් අරගෙන දෙකට කඩනවා. You can break into two parts. Again you can put, you can break into two. ඔහොම දෙකට කඩාගෙන ගියොත් අන්තිමට මොනවද ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ? පොඩි කුඩු ටිකක් ඉතුරු වෙනවා.
Kudu.
Right? අන්න ඒවට මොනවා කියලාද අපි කියන්නේ?
Kudu.
Particles.
Particle.
Right? Particles. ඕගොල්ලෝ උනත් හැදිලා තියෙන ඔය වගේ particles වලින්. නේද? Right? හැම දෙයක්ම හැදිලා තියෙන්නේ particles වලින්. So you remember this area has the minimum, no? Less particles, right? The minimum particles. So it is gas. Right. Then 51st, look at water is evaporated from the leaves as vapor. Right? මේ ගස්වල තියෙන කොළ වලින් නේද මොනවද වෙන්නේ? Water evaporated. ඒ තියෙන ජලය ටික වාෂ්ප වෙලා යනවා. Select the correct, it is known as, you remember, what's the name? Right? What's the scientific name? Transpiration. Right? අර ගස්වල කොළ වලින් ජලය ටික පිටවීමට අපි මොනවා කියලාද කියන්නේ? Transpiration. right? This part also you can study in upper grades. Now you remember, just remember what's the names. Okay, right. 52nd look at water is used for entertainment. Select the correct answer. For swimming, it is correct or incorrect? Swimming,
Correct.
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 For
Correct.
boat
Correct.
riding, for boat riding, it is also
Correct.
for
Correct.
skating.
Correct.
Skating mean what? හිම මත also correct.
It is also correct.
All about,
Also correct. All about.
right? All about. Right. 53. Look at how is water purified in town services. Do you know? I think you drink water, no? Some students are live in town areas. Huh? Do you know how? What is the method water purified in town services? Yes, Nisala, what is the answer? Who can give the answer? Correct answer.
By adding children.
Yes. මේක නම් ලේසි ක්‍රමයක් නෙවෙයි නේද? By boiling නේද? හැමෝටම boil කර කර ඉන්න බෑනේ නේද? මොකද්ද ක්‍රමය? By adding chlorine.
By adding chlorine.
Right? By adding chlorine. මම හිතන්නේ ඕගොල්ලොත් මේ ක්ලෝරින් බොනවා ඇති සමහරලාට නේද? අර ඒක වෙනම සුදු පාටයි, ඒක වෙනම අමුතු රසක් තියෙන්නේ. Right? ක්ලෝරින් වැඩිපුර තියෙනකොට. Right? That's a purifying method.
සමහර වෙලාවලට බොන්න වෙනවා sir.
I'm drinking well water.
Well water. Well water not need to add chlorine, no? But town services,
We are drinking
right? They use the water from the rivers, no? Right? ගඟවල් වලින් වතුර ගන්න නේද? එතකොට ඒවා පිරිසිදු කරන්න ඕන නේද? Right. 54th look at the amount of consumable water has been limited. Consumable mean what? පරිභෝජනය කරන්න පුළුවන්, පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්. The amount of consumable water has been limited. නේද? දැන් වතුර ඕන තරම් තියෙනවානේ world එකේ, earth එකේ. හැබැයි අපිට බොන්න බෑනේ. නේද? ඔයගොල්ලෝ මුහුද ගිහලා වතුර බොනවද?
No, sir.
Right? Lot of water in sea. But can't see. Who is responsible for this situation? කාගේද මේව ආරක්ෂා කිරීමේ වගකීම තියෙන්නේ?
Plants.
Plants,
Man.
animals, and animals. Oh, animals ලට බෑනේ නේද වතුර ටික ආරක්ෂා කරගන්න. නේද? plants වලටත් බෑනේ. නේද? කවුද කරන්න ඕන? Man.
Man.
That's the responsible of your, no? You are responsible. Right? Protect the consumable water. We have to grow more plants, right? Don't you put any unwanted thing to the water bodies, right? You can do that. 55, look at question number 55. 52 answer. One student asked. Question number 52 answer. Okay, look at 52 answer is fourth one. Above. All about. Right. 55 look at.
All about.
Which is not an instance where water is polluted. Right? Which is not an instance where water is polluted. ජලය දූෂණය වෙන්නේ නැති අවස්ථාවක්. Adding fertilizers into river. Correct or incorrect?
Fertilizer mean what, sir?
Fertilizers mean
Correct.
පොහොර නේද? ගඟවල දැම්මොත් මොනවද වෙන්නේ? It is polluted, no? Right? So it's not the answer. Adding fecal matter into the lakes. Fecal mean what? මල ද්‍රව්‍ය. නේද? සමහරුන්ගේ toilets වල බටවල් තියෙන්නේ නේද? Rivers වලට නේ? Seas වලට. ඔය sea line එකේ hotels වල ඔක්කොම නේද toilets බට sea එකට තමයි දාන්නේ. හරි ඕගොල්ලෝ ගිහලා නානවත් නේද ඊට පස්සේ? ඔව්. Okay. Look at this one. It is also polluted method, no? right? Polluted method. It is not the answer. Adding polluted water from the factories into oceans. අර ෆැක්ටරි වලින් පිට කරන නේද අපද්‍රව්‍ය ටික මුහුදු වලට දානවා. එතකොට මොකද වෙන්නේ? සාගර වලට දානවා. එතකොට මොකද වෙන්නේ? Polluted. Using water in the paddy field. It is not the polluted. So what is the answer? Fourth one. Right. 56, look at question number 56. The percentage of water that can be consumed is, do you remember?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
First answer.
No.
Third one. First one.
Third one.
Third one. 0.01.
0.01%. Right? බලන්නකො නේද කොච්චර තියෙනවද මේ
0.01%. Third answer.
25% විතර නේද? තුන් කාලක් විතරම වතුරෙන් තමයි වැහිලා තියෙන්නේ. හැබැයි අපිට බොන්න පුළුවන් කොච්චරක්ද? only 0.01. හරි. 1% වත් නැහැ නේද? එහෙනම් ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ බොන්න පුළුවන් ටික ආරක්ෂා කරගන්න ඕනේ නේද? It is your what response. This is a plant with fleshy green leaves. Fleshy අර නිකම් මස් සහිත කොළ තියෙන්නේ මොන වගේද? Cactus, දලු, බේදුරු, aloe vera.
Aloe vera.
Yes, aloe vera, no?
Aloe vera.
Right, aloe vera.
Sir, fleshy mean what?
Aloe vera.
Fleshy mean අර මස් ගතිය වැඩි, මාංශ ගතිය වැඩි. හරි, ඒ කියන්නේ කොළයක නිකන් ඝනකම වැඩි, මස් ගතිය වැඩි නේද? අන්න ඒක.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Aloe vera, I think you know, Pomarica, no? Sinhala means
Pomarica.
Pomarica. Aloe vera. Right. How do small plant get to erect posture? Erect mean what? Straight. කෙලින් තියනවා. Right? කොහොමද මේ පොඩි පොඩි ශාක ටික erect posture එකේ තියන්නේ? What's the reason?
Having air.
No.
Having
Water.
very deep.
Having water. Okay, I think you know Kudalu plant. දන්නව නේද Kudalu?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
ඒකේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අර වහින්නේ නැති හොඳට අවුත් වෙනකොට මොකද වෙන්නේ? The stem bend, right? Stem එක මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? මෙහෙම නැවෙනවා නේද? But if you put the water into the plant, they give to the erect posture, right? ඒක මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? ආයිතර නැවෙන්නේ නැතුව නේද කෙලින් තියනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ ඒක ඒ කන්දේ වතුර තියුණොත් තමයි ඒක erect posture එකේ තියෙන්නේ. Right? So you remember what's the reason for this one, okay? Right. Then 59th one, look at. A common feature for all living being is locomotion, correct or incorrect? All living.
Incorrect.
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 Can't locomote, no? Plant වලට බෑනේ නේද? අද ඉන්නවා මෙතන, මෙතන ඉන්නවා තව කිලෝමීටරයක් විතර එහා ඉන්නේ. එහෙම පුළුවන්ද? ගස් වලට බෑනේ. Reproduction is correct, no? Plants and all animals do this process, no? New generation spread, no? Right. So the correct answer, this one. Photosynthesis, incorrect, no? Animals can't do photosynthesis, showing respiratory movement. We can't observe the respiratory movement of trees. ගස් වල බෑ respiratory movements බලා ගන්න නේද? Like what's the meaning of respiratory movement? Do you remember? When you exhale and inhale, your chest, what happened? Move upward and downward, no? නේද? බලන්න ඔයගොල්ලෝ උස්ම ගන්නකොට හොඳට නේද? වලට පහළට යනවා. That's a respiratory movement, okay? ඒකට තමයි respiratory movement කියන්නේ. ඒතර ගස් වලට අපිට බෑනේ ඕක බලන්න නේද? So the correct answer is reproduction. Number 60. The plants which show the sleeping movements in the evening are. What's the answer? Sesbania, Albizia, Tamarind. Right? That's the plants show the sleeping movement in the evening. Right. Number 61, look at the essential process for the continuous existence of the living things is. Right. Continuous existence. අර ජීවීන්ගේ අඛණ්ඩ පැවැත්මකට අත්‍යවශ්‍ය වෙන දෙයක් මොකක්ද? What is the answer? Respiration, nutrition, reproduction, photosynthesis.
Nutrition. Nutrition.
Nutrition වලින් පුළුවන්ද දැන් තව generation එකක් හදාගන්න බෑ නේද?
Reproduction. Reproduction.
Reproduction, no? Reproduction mean what? The new generation produce from the existing generation. හරි අර ඉන්න ප්‍රජාවකින් අලුත් ජීවියෙක් බිහි කිරීම. Number 62. An example for the matter is solar heat, energy or matter?
Energy.
Energy. Air?
Energy.
Air?
Matter.
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 So the answer is air, no? Electricity, energy, sound,
Energy.
energy.
Sound. Energy.
So the correct answer number 2, air. Right. Okay. Another few questions we have to discuss. No, only 62 questions I discussed. I think today we can complete this one but the initial part we discussed the previous lesson. We complete the previous lesson.
සර් මට මේ 58 වෙනි ඉඳලා 60 වෙනකම් පොඩ්ඩක් ටික පෙන්නන්නකෝ සර්.
බලන් හිටියේ නෑ නේද? Right. That's the answers.